Hi, Lynn Watts here, and I have just received the first copies of our new Stories to Learn by lesson plan books that go along with all the picture books. So I'm going to open the box so you can see what it looks like, what the interior looks like, and it's just very exciting because we've made so many great changes to it. So let me get this open real quick, and I'm going to show you all the new features that we have in this book that are going to make lesson plans and using the picture book so much easier for school counselors. All right, so here it is. And wow, look at that. Nice. Lots of new stuff going on here. Let me show you. There are exactly 187 pages worth of really cool stuff in here. And the really wonderful part about it is that it is laid out in a way that is so easy to use. Let me show you a few of these things. And I'm going to do some more videos on this, and I will do some better pictures, but I just want you to see that the lesson plans are laid out in such an easy way for school counselors to follow. So the standards and the objectives are right at the top. The materials that you need are right at the top. And then I have essential questions, so you know where to go with in terms of talking with kids and getting them kind of, in the right frame of mind, getting them thinking about the lesson. This particular one is about conflicts between friends. And then there is one of the picture books to read. This particular one has a lot of problem situation cards that you could make, a whole spreadsheet here of feeling words that kids can use in using the I statement, which is part of the conflict resolution. It has an assessment that you can use. It has a word search, each one of them nice and big, so you can make nice copies of that. And then coloring pages if you want to use that with the really young kids after some of the picture book lessons. So this is a brand new, updated Stories to Learn by companion guide that goes right along with the 9 picture books, all about Wyatt the Wonder Dog. So I'll be telling you more in other videos, but I just wanted you to take a look at how exciting it is to have the brand new book out there. It's available on Amazon, but also part of a package where you can get all the picture books and this and a puppet too. So I'll be telling you more about that in another video. Thanks for listening.